two words, farm and management. What's the meaning of farm itself? Farms mean a piece of land, ya, lahan, where crops and livestock, ya, di mana tanaman dan ternak, ya, usaha tanaman dan ternak, under common management and has specific boundary. So the land consists of crop and livestock with specific boundary. What we mean with farm, so ini adalah area, wilayah, ya, lahan, ada batasnya, di mana di dalamnya ada tanaman dan ternak yang diusahakan. Itu yang kita sebut farm. Oke. Farms juga bermakna sebagai socio-economic unit. Farm is also means of a socio-economic unit because one farmer live in this farm, use this farm for their livelihood. It is a source of their income, a source of their livelihood. So farm is also a socio-economic unit. Farms also a decision-making unit because within one farm where crop and livestock there, a farmer can make decision in managing the production of their crops and their livestock. So a farm is also a decision-making unit. Farms are also a macro unit of vital importance with represent center of dynamic decision-making in regard to guiding farm resources in the production process. Yeah. So in short, farm, lahan usaha tani, adalah satu unit mikro yang sangat penting, di mana sebuah keputusan, dinamika keputusan, itu diatur oleh seorang petani, bagaimana mereka mengatur sumber daya yang ada di dalam usaha tani itu, dalam proses produksinya. So what we mean with the farm resource within the farms is not only the land, it's also about the farmer itself, about the knowledge of the farmer itself, about tools, agriculture tools, yeah, about the fertilizer, about everything as a resources for the crop production or livestock production. This is one unit of farms. So farming is managing those kind of resources. So meaning that, yeah, the welfare of nation, kesejahteraan suatu negara, is depend on bagaimana petani, ya, dalam satu unit farming terorganisir. When the country is depend on agriculture, so meanings that countries depend on the farmers, on farming units. So the welfare of the nation is depend on the happiness of the farmers. Okay, and then we can say also the management is an art. Farm management is art of getting farming done. Is art of producing crops. Is art of producing livestock. Because it consists of managing various kind of resources. So a resources is like a colors. How do farms manage the color to to make a brightful farming, something like that. Management is the process of designing, maintaining an environment in which individuals working together in group accomplish selected aims. So that's the farm, land that consists of crops and livestock, where the land also consists of all kinds of resources to make farmer able to produce crop and livestock. And management is the key. Management is a way to manage that resources. So farmer is the manager who makes the business, who makes the farming. So farmers have to know how to manage the resources in order to produce crops, livestock, cattle, chicken, and everything. The prosperity of any country depends upon the prosperity of farmers, which in turn depend upon the rational allocation of resources among various use and adoption improved technology. When farmers want to increase the production, traditionally they have only limited resources, limited technology of resources. So the country, the nation may introduce technology to the farmers, and farmers manage that technology into their farms. How do they adopt the new technology in order to improve the farming system, in order to produce more crops, more livestock, to get more income? So technology can be developed by farmers itself, but mostly it's developed by outside. So how management, farmer as the managers improve their technology by adopting new technologies coming from outside the farms. So management have a challenge for that. Human race depend more on farm production for their existence than anything else, since food, clothes, the primary necessary products of farming industry. So farming, it can be an industry, meaning because there an increased demand of more farm production. Because more demand on farm production, farming is become an industry to produce more products to supply to all users. So farming is coming to industrial. So we call it farming industry. It's the basic infrastructure. So study of farm management is not only on farm itself, but also at macro perspective in terms of the relationship between farm in order to produce raw material of farming of agro industry. So they have to be linked. The development of farm itself is depend on the agro industry, because the raw material from farming have to be processed again to be able to be consumed by the consumer. So that's industrial process of farms. So let me cite some definition from many authors about the definition of farm management. From Gray, farm management is the art of managing. So the keys of definition from Gray is art, seni, yeah, seni bagaimana mengelola sebuah lahan usaha tani menjadi sukses, berhasil. Berhasil dalam arti menghasilkan profit. So the art of managing a farm successfully is measured by the profitableness, dengan keuntungannya. Art, ya, seni mengelola usaha tani sehingga menjadi berhasil dilihat dari keuntungannya. It's called farm management. Warren give definition. Farm management is defined as the science of organization and management of farm enterprise for the purpose of securing maximum continuous profit. Similar, almost similar what Gray say. It's just said science. So not only an art. So farm management is a science of organizing, managing farm enterprise for the purpose of benefit also, profit. Person, farm management may be defined as the science that deal with organization and operation of farm in the context of efficiency and continuous profit. Similar. Usaha tani definisinya sebagai ilmu, ya, yang berurusan dengan pengorganisasian, pengoperasian usaha tani dalam konteks meningkatkan efisiensi dan keuntungan. Farm management is defined as the study of business phase of farming. Farm management, ya, definisinya sebagai studi, belajar, kajian terhadap usaha bisnis, ya, fase bisnis dari berusaha tani. So farm management is a branch of agricultural economy, ya, which deal with wealth earning, wealth spending activities of farmers. Is Brandon and Johnson. Okay, that's 5 definition. So the key is farm management is managing resources, is the science or the art of managing resources, organizing resources, operating resources in order to achieve or to get more benefit. Okay, to get higher income, maximum income. Let's see the nature and characteristic of farm management. Yeah. At least there are 5. Let me say one by one. First, the character is physical science character. It is a physical science character. Why is physical science character? Because we are dealing with land, right? We are dealing with plant. We are dealing with water, right? So this practical science. How to see the relationship between one physical and biological are tested in farm. How do you how if the plant lack of water, what happened? How about if we give more water? How about the land we give more fertilizer? What happened with the crop? So it's physical, practical science, right? Physical and practical science. Biological science is there. So farm management, we have to know about that. We have to know about the character of crops, plant, livestock, land, and everything. Farm management is profitability oriented. So second characteristic, we are dealing about to get maximum benefit, right? How we organize all physical factors in order to get benefit. When we sell the yield of the crop and the livestock, how much money we get, how much the cost have been expended for that. Integrating science. So let's see. First, what we understand about physical, biological. Now we are talking about economical, financial. So it's integrating science. In farm management, we have to integrate physical or natural science, biology, physical. We have to understand also economic, social science there. So integrating science. Broader fields, right? Those who learn farm management